show me. Oh, that's so nice. We need to see your face, so can you go on the opposite side? Can you go on the opposite side? You cannot see it.
I got water.
We
already got some. So.
I already got some.
No.
Just put some. Just stay there. They might need some more.
Stay there.
We activate it now.
I'm still with you.
We're on live TV right now.
Why?
But we want to do TV, Maddox.
Is this glue to mix?
I think it is. Oh no! Oh no! But do not look at the camera. Oh yeah, they can't even see your face, Maddox. They can only see a little bit foot. If you're watching this, please don't listen to Maddox, a little baby. Hey, do not listen to what she's saying. He's a crazy man.
Yes, we love you.
Okay, one sec, this. There we go. Alan, that's YouTuber here. I should be calling you that. I'm the main character. He's not.
I'm helping you.
No, you're not. Our place is total cringiness. My YouTube channel was full on cringe. Do you hear that, guys? You know I watch my whole YouTube channel. Getting too cringy for you kids. Make your mushroom work.
This is right. No, mushrooms right there.
What?
Find it.
Right, that's my iPad, bro. We're on live TV. Wait, you adding the color? Oh, it's cotton candy colored. Oh, and gold colored. Nuts.
How old?
What there it is. The color, the sun color is blue, gold, pink, blue, wait, blue, gold.
Mommy, can you go
pink,
give me a little spoon?
Pink,
I'm
gold,
trying to
blue,
find you cleats for
blue,
tomorrow.
gold.
Mommy, can you give me a little spoon?
Hmm?
Yeah, I'm going to go get a little.
Yeah, you go get a little spoon. See if you can find one.
The gold time's back. One more thing help me. I'm inside a box. I feel like I can't breathe. Oh yeah, guess what, Chase? I have a golden ring.
Is it real gold?
Yeah.
No,
How do you know?
because it's not.
But I found it.
I got a little spoon.
How do you know?
I got a little spoon, Mommy.
Hmm?
That is not a little spoon. That can't even fit in the container.
Go get one of your spoons. One of the little spoons.
Mm-hmm.
I thought he was helping. Go get one of your spoons where the straws are. You know, your spoons.
Yeah, what is
Max, I need that big one.
Jace.
I need that big one.
Jace, I have to find you cleats for tomorrow. You do understand that, right?
Yes.
Get off of that.
Never mind, Maddox. And green.
And green. Green like your mom.
If he brings you a spoon, please tell him thank you. He's trying to help you.
I'm not mad. Nephew.
Huh?
That looks so weird.
It's barf.
It's barf slime. It's poopy slime and barf slime. Are you ready for the poopy and barf slime?
Hmm. It's okay. It's okay. He found something. He found something. He found
On
something.
my arm.
I want some.
What? What?
I want all the spoon.
What?
I want some of the spoon.
Nephew, look at
I'm looking for you some shoes, but I gotta find Jace.
I want.
Hold on. No, these are cleats for soccer.
I need activator. Where's the activator?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, that's activator.
I want some cleats.
Okay.
Yeah, we got a lot of that activator in that one. That one looked grass. Yep, that's definitely like grass. And so,
Hey, Matthew, no. No, sir.
and just one. Yeah, that's definitely barf
Jay,
slime.
stop climbing.
That's barf slime. I just put my finger in it and it.
Where's the rest of the activator you had yesterday?
I want to go
There was
get
not
a big
left.
spoon. Big spoon.
Well, because that's our slime we have to use for NFL slime time. Are we actually going to use it for NFL slime time? That's barf slime, guys. Just up to the camera. Barf slime! Barf slime!
Matthew, you need to take your shoes down there.
Okay. I'll do it when I leave.
Okay, but your mom was not happy that you didn't bring them.
Oh. I didn't know they were here.
We told you that. It's
Yeah,
really
well,
sticky.
I mean, she didn't know that they were here.
It's really sticky, nephew.
Oh gosh, we gotta do. Wait, this is for NFL slime time, actually.
Jace, who's trying to help you?
We're already done with slime.
Ew.
That's our slime. Oh yeah, these are zombie guts. Zombie guts. Oh God, got the zombie. Is this zombie guts? Hey, can I try to add this back in? I'm mining it. But I gotta get my hands up.
Can I do it, Mommy?
Jay, stop walking on that.
Can I do it? Mommy, can I do it? Mommy, can I do it? Not
You
yet.
have to ask Jace.
Right.
Can I do
This.
it?
Oh yeah, this is zombie gut slime. I know what this is called. Zombie gut slime.
Can I do it?
We're adding the blood in it.
Huh?
Now we're adding the.
Yellow?
No, we're adding the mustard. Now we're adding. What's blue?
Blue Rainbow Friends.
We're adding the blue rainbow. Wait, yellow rainbow friend, red rainbow friend. Now we're adding the green rainbow friend.
He's blind.
Yeah, but he's very smart.
He can sniff.
Yeah, he can, and he can feel. He has a very long arm. Now the orange rainbow friend. Now the purple. The purple. What's gonna happen? The purple rainbow friend. Yay! All the rainbow friend colors. Except pink and brown. And black.
And red.
Now we added red.
Can I do it, Jay? You can do it. Jay.
No, green took over.
Green took over, my boy. My good boy.
I hear what me doing.
I need to go get it.
And orange took over.
Can I do it?
Jay, stop walking on that.
I'm gonna take this one first.
Mommy.
Where's orange?
I don't see it.
We gotta. Oh yeah, green cannot take
Can you
over.
open this?
This is your mom. This is your mom speaking. This is. Oh my God, the slime. Are these a